Today I'm going to show you guys how to build an AI agent that will post on LinkedIn for you every single day. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to N8N and then hit create workflow. After hitting that, we're going to go ahead and hit the plus sign and hit on a schedule for our trigger event. So all this is going to do is going to let us tell N8N what time we would like it to run our workflow. So I'm going to decide to have this go at 9 a.m. So I think that's a pretty good time. The next step we're going to do is hit this plus sign, hit AI, and then hit AI agent. So on here, there's a couple of different pieces to the AI agent we have to set up. So first is our chat model. So I like to use ChatGPT, so I'm going to hit Open AI chat model right now, and then I'm going to connect my credential right here. So for you guys, in order to set up your credentials, if you don't already have one, you're going to simply press this Create New Credential button, and then you're going to want to go to Google, look up OpenAI API, and then click OpenAI API. After that, and then click the top right corner on your profile, click your profile, go to API keys, and then hit create a new secret key. So in here you can name it whatever you want, and then you can hit default project and then create a secret key. So once you get your key, you're going to want to go ahead and take that key and paste it right into here on N8N and hit save. Once you do that, your OpenAI account is going to be connected to N8N, and then you can essentially use ChatGPT inside of N8N. The next thing that we want to do back in our AI agent is click define below for a system prompt. So as I tell people, when describing a system prompt, all it really is sort of like a job description. So the first thing we're going to do is give it its role. So in this case, we're going to say its role is a social media manager. The next thing we want to do is give it its objective. So we're going to say, I want you to post on LinkedIn daily something cool about AI and why people use it. Now you guys can change that to whatever you'd like to post about on a daily basis. And then the last thing we're going to add is our restrictions. So I'm going to tell it, make your post limited to 3 sentences, always use emojis, and sound semi-professional. So when you guys create your own, you can adjust your objective and your restrictions to whatever you think would best fit for your LinkedIn post. But that's all we have to do there. And the next thing we want to do after our system message is made is we're going to go ahead and add a tool, which is going to be our LinkedIn account. So we're going to click this LinkedIn tool. And then after that, we want to go ahead and hit create new credential and then hit connect my account. N8N is going to prompt us to sign into our LinkedIn account, which is going to grant N8N access to our LinkedIn. So I already have an account set up, so I'm just going to select my credential here. Then I have to hit my name for the person name or ID, and it's going to be able to create a post on our behalf. So what we're going to do after that is we're going to hit this magic button, what I like to call it, which is going to let our AI agent know that it has the discretion to post on our behalf. So now we can go ahead and hit execute workflow. And you can actually see on the bottom what's going on. And now we should have a post on my LinkedIn account. So let's go to LinkedIn. Then I can click my profile. And see our post is right here. Thank you guys for watching and join my Skool community if you want to learn more and have a lot of cool conversations about AI. The link will be in the description. Have a nice day.